Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm GMK with the Guy Media. Have a great morning, afternoon and then evening. In today's episode of our YouTube tutorial, I'll be taking you through how you can use two different accounts on the same WhatsApp. Having one particular WhatsApp application on your phone, how you can use two different accounts on the same WhatsApp. It's going to be very interesting. All you have to do is to stay tuned and then you watch this particular video to the end. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into the video. First of all, what you have to do is that you make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. If maybe you've actually been wanting to update your WhatsApp, make sure you do that before you take this step into consideration, or you do this. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp direct. I'm going to open it direct. So as you can see for yourself, so what I'm going to do is at the right top corner of the WhatsApp, the three dots here. Let me use my tool so that you can get it well. The three dots here, I'm talking about this particular one, as you can see it for itself. So I'm going to click on it and then you go to the settings. Okay, you go to the settings, which is this particular one. So as you can see the settings, so I'm going to click on it and then where do we go? Come to this side. Let me go back a bit. This particular one. So as you can see it for yourself, I'll click on it. So you can see that I have only one particular account here. What am I going to do? So you come to the next one where they wrote add account. So add an account with, so you just click on the agree and continue. I'll click on it and then the number you want to use for the second account, you just key in that particular number. So I'm going to key in my second number, which is this one. Then you click on next. Make sure the phone inputs that particular number. So your number has been securely verified on this device. So I'll just click on continue. Previously backup, no, I'll just skip it. I don't need any backup. Let's see that so I can just use something else as my listing. Quickly, so let me just use this particular car. Done. That is for my second distance. So I'll just click on next. Click on next and then I'll just skip the pass key. It's very simple. You can also do same and then you are good to go. So as you can see, this is my second account. So let me get you there. Let me show you how I had my second number. So what do you do? Let me go to my settings and then I come here, this particular thing here. So let me click on it. So as you can see, this is the second one. So if I want to move on the second one, I'll just go there. As I clicked here, so this is the second one. This is the second one. This is the second one. So if I want to move on the second, I'm the first one rather. If I want to move on the second one, what do I do? This one. So, which means you can switch from the first one to the second one. It's as simple as that. If this video has been of help, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you would be notified. See you in our next video. Bye.